Britain's Got Talent will be back next year, says ITV CEO. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. ITV's CEO Dame Carolyn McCall appeared on the media show with Amol Rajan on this morning's BBC Breakfast to talk about the enormous success of many of ITV's shows, like The Masked Singer, Dancing on Ice, and Britain's Got Talent, which unfortunately got canned. Earlier in the year it was announced that BGT would not be coming back for 2021 because COVID-19 means it's not possible to film. Speaking on the show, Rajan asked the CEO how she was planning to fill the hole in the channel's schedule and ad revenue. McCall then revealed that, "We have something lined up and we will be able to tell you about." The presenter tried to find out more. Tell us, this is the moment. "We will be able to tell, honestly," said the ITV. No. Tell us. Pushed on Rajan. I can't. I would get. Honestly, I'd get killed, so I can't," confessed. "But we have something lined up, which I think will be fantastic," she revealed. BGT, Amanda holding stuns in emerald green dress. Rajan then asked whether it would still be an audition-based competition show, and the CEO teased it could be, only saying. The radio presenter also asked if Simon Cowell would be in it, but McCall wouldn't budge this time and replied, "I am not." She kept on explaining the reason BGT couldn't come is because of the pandemic. "A lot of the acts come globally, and because of travel we just couldn't do it." She also assured fans that the show will come back. BGT will come back. There is no question about that. It's just a postponement of BGT. Of course, the upcoming season was going to mark Simon Cowell's 61 grand return to screens after suffering a back injury which forced him to miss last year's finals. When first announcing the show will be shelved for the year, a source said, "While many people will have been vaccinated by the summer, it remains unclear what the restrictions on mass mingling and on travel will be, so there are absolutely no guarantees production can." Trending, the chances of it airing this year range from extremely slim to non-existent, and it's almost certain to be the latter. "No one's happy about it, but that's the way it is," said ITV. Despite everyone at ITV, Thames and Psycho doing their best to make it happen, and with our absolute priority of safeguarding the well-being and health of every person involved, the decision has been made to, unfortunately, move the 15th series of Britain's Got Talent to 20. BGT is known for its diversity of talent, with big dance groups, wonderful choirs and lavish orchestras at its heart, and it has become clear that not only is it not possible to film auditions with these types of acts in a secure way, but also that they are not able to adequately rehearse and prepare safely.